केंद्रीय मंत्री नितिन गडकरी ने सोमवार 30 जनवरी को कहा कि 1 अप्रैल के बाद में 15 साल से पुराने 9 लाख सरकारी वाहन सड़क पर दिखाई नहीं देंगे।
He told to scrap 15-year-old buses, trucks, cars in departments that come under their ambit.
I have allocated adequate funds to scrap old vehicles of the central government.
India's road infrastructure, while improving, still presents challenges. Potholes, uneven surfaces, and inadequate maintenance are prevalent across many regions. The constant vibrations and impacts on the suspension systems, tires, and chassis contribute to premature wear and tear. Such conditions also increase the risk of misalignments and damage to the car's undercarriage. Traffic congestion and stop-and-go driving. India's cities are notorious for their congested roads and stop-and-go traffic patterns. This constant start and stop driving puts significant strain on the car's components, including the engine, transmission, and braking system. Frequent idling in traffic causes wear and tear, leading to premature aging and reduced longevity. Inadequate maintenance and neglect. Proper maintenance plays a pivotal role in preserving a car's condition and longevity. However, in India, some owners may overlook or neglect regular maintenance practices. Factors such as limited awareness, cost concerns, or a casual attitude towards upkeep contribute to inadequate servicing, delayed repairs, or neglect of warning signs. This lack of attention accelerates the aging process, leading to more significant issues and costly repairs down the line. Non-standardized fuel quality. Fuel quality is a critical aspect of a car's performance and durability. Unfortunately, India's fuel quality is not standardized across the country, leading to variations in fuel composition and potential adulteration. Lower grade fuels can cause harm to the engine, fuel system, and emission control components. This can result in carbon dioxide deposits, reduced fuel efficiency, and premature wear, all contributing to faster aging of cars. Ownership patterns and resale market. The culture of car ownership in India differs from that of other countries. Many Indian car owners prioritize affordability and lower upfront costs, often resulting in purchase of older, pre-owned vehicles. This, coupled with a thriving resale market, leads to a higher proportion of older vehicles on the road, which are naturally more prone to accelerated aging. Financial constraints and limited warranty coverage. The economic landscape in India influences car ownership and maintenance decisions. Financial constraints may prevent some owners from investing in regular servicing or opting for higher quality replacement parts. Additionally, limited warranty coverage and expensive repairs can prevent owners from addressing issues promptly, further contributing to faster aging of cars. Air pollution and contaminants. India's alarming air pollution levels, particularly in urban areas, expose cars to a cocktail of harmful pollutants. Fine dust particles and chemical emissions from industries and vehicles settle on car surfaces, causing scratches, paint damage, and accelerated wear. Moreover, the infiltration of pollutants into the engine and other mechanical parts contribute to premature aging, reduced performance, and higher maintenance requirements. Unforgiving climate and extreme weather. India's diverse climate plays a significant role in the accelerated aging of cars. With scorching hot summers, heavy monsoon, and high humidity levels, cars are subjected to a harsh environmental condition. The relentless heat can lead to paint fading, interior deterioration, and damage to rubber seals. The monsoon can cause rust and corrosion. The combination of extreme temperatures and humidity accelerates the wear and tear of various car components. The faster aging of cars in India is a phenomenon influenced by various factors. Harsh environment, challenging driving conditions, inadequate maintenance practices, non-standardized fuel, and financial constraints all contribute to the accelerated aging process. Recognizing these factors is crucial for car owners and manufacturers to devise strategies and solutions that mitigate the aging process.